I've never seen plumbing repaired this way. And I've never seen string or thread or cotton used to actually repair a leak. I don't know how much money you spent in glue and thread and whatnot, but why not just cut the line and do it the right way? It doesn't look like there's much water flow there anyway, so I don't think there's very much pressure. And you notice it's dripping. When he turns it off, yeah, you see it dripping right here? What the what? Are you freaking joking? That was a waste of 3 minutes of my life I will never get back.